Welcome to the IC Plus Webshop Guide. Today, we will be going over our Click and Collect feature. We are based in Dublin 24, and you can find our exact address under the contact page on the webshop. On the home page, click on your desired product category. You can use the filtering system on the left-hand side of your screen to refine your search. It's simple and effective. Just press on the headings and tick the features you wish to apply to your product. You'll get accurate results quickly and conveniently. Select the item you are interested in and add the quantity you want into your cart. Note that when you scroll past the product description, you will automatically be offered compatible brackets and switches, allowing for a smoother shopping experience. If you want to quickly maneuver the website and know what you're looking for, use the search bar to input some keywords. As you're doing this, you can use our quick add function to speed up your shopping even more. Once you have selected all the items you want to buy, press the cart icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Take a look at the delivery section and select the Click and Collect option. Keep in mind that immediate collection of customized products may require some time in production. We will advise you if your desired collection time isn't possible. A prompt will appear to update your cart. Press on this and then click the checkout button once more. Type the name of the person who will be collecting the order, followed by your PO number for this purchase. In the order notes, indicate when you wish to collect the order and any other special instructions. Click Next. You can review your order and choose your preferred payment method here. If you have a credit account, you can select the Add to Credit Account option, or you can override and pay with credit card via one of our secure payment gateways. Click I agree and place order to finalize. Follow through with the simple checkout process and come collect your order at our trade counter.